You step into a small village deep in the night. The streets are empty and silent, with only the soft rustling of leaves under your feet. You walk slowly, feeling calm and relaxed. The air is cool and fragrant, carrying the sweet scent of lavender from the fields nearby. The moon hangs high, casting a gentle light on everything around you. The houses in the village are small and old, their wooden doors and windows almost invisible in the dark. You can see some lights coming from inside, but they add to the serenity rather than disturb it. As you walk, you notice the soft glow of candlelight through the window of a nearby house. It gives off a warm, welcoming feeling as if someone is waiting for you. The smell of fresh lavender fills your nose, making you feel peaceful and at home. You reach a small roundabout in the center of the village. There are trees around it, their branches whispering softly in the breeze. You pause for a moment to enjoy the quiet and the beauty of the place. Everything is still and calm, like the village itself is sleeping deeply. The path winds gently through the village, leading you deeper into its heart. It feels safe and familiar, as if this village has always been here waiting for someone just like you to come and rest. As we continue our journey, the path widens, and before us stretches a vast sea of purple lavender fields. Each plant stands tall and proud in the soft evening light, their delicate flowers nodding gently with the gentle breeze. The air is filled with a sweet, fragrant smell that calms your mind. You breathe deeply, feeling the cool scent fill your lungs. The lavender plants sway side by side, creating a peaceful rhythm like lullabies being sung softly in the wind. You hear a soft hum in the distance, tiny insects flitting from flower to flower, their wings making a gentle sound you almost miss. Then closer come the chirps of crickets. They sing quietly in the cool evening air, their tiny voices weaving together into a soothing melody that calms your heart and soul. As you walk along, the purple fields stretch out endlessly on either side of you. The lavender seems to hum with its own life, responding to the whispering breeze. You feel at peace, surrounded by nature's beauty and serenity. As you continue your journey, the landscape fades into a gentle village nestled beneath the night sky. The houses, built close together, seem to whisper in the silence. You can hear only the soft rustling of leaves and the distant hum of an old clock ticking. You approach the center where the streets are empty, the buildings silent sentinels. The moon has risen high, its light filtering through the clouds like a gentle caress. It bathes everything in a soft, silvery glow that gives the village a dreamlike quality. You notice small lights inside a few windows, flickering softly. They sparkle like tiny stars scattered among the darkness. The air is filled with the sweet scent of lavender, a calm, soothing aroma that seems to wash over you, making your heart slow its beat just a little more. As you walk, the houses appear less like obstacles and more like peaceful companions. Each one has its own story to tell in the stillness. You pause at a corner, where a door is slightly ajar, allowing a beam of light to spill out into the night. The light casts shadows that dance on the ground, almost as if they are playing a game. You continue your gentle walk through the quiet village. As the moonlight bathes everything in a silvery glow, you approach a small cottage. It's nestled among other buildings, but it stands out with its warm, inviting light. The door of the cottage is slightly open, and inside, you can hear soft snoring. The noise seems to lull you into a peaceful state. You step closer to see that the walls are adorned with pictures of beautiful lavender fields and vibrant flowers. Each picture tells a story of joy and tranquility. A gentle breeze carries the sweet scent of fresh lavender, filling your nostrils and calming your mind. You imagine yourself lying down on one of those soft beds inside, feeling the cool sheets against your skin as you drift off to sleep. The sound of distant crickets accompanies this calmness, creating a soothing symphony that invites rest. You realize that this cottage is not just a place to stay, but also a symbol of peace and rest. It's a perfect spot where one can find solace from the day's hustle and bustle. The gentle rustling of leaves and the soft glow from within add to the serene atmosphere. You feel yourself growing more relaxed, ready to drift into a peaceful sleep. As you walk farther into the village, you pass more houses. One by one, each door is closed tight. You can feel a sense of peace and calm in every corner, like the whole place is softly sleeping. The moonlight filters through the night sky and gently bathes everything. Trees sway slightly in the cool evening breeze, creating soft rustling sounds that mix with the quiet hum of crickets. The air smells fresh and clean, filled with a hint of lavender from the fields nearby. You notice a small path leading deeper into the village. It's lined with old, sturdy fences made of wooden planks, their surfaces weathered but still strong. As you step onto the path, it creaks softly under your feet, a gentle reminder of its age and resilience. A few gardens are visible on either side of the path, small patches where flowers grow in neat rows, now mostly gone for the season. A single old oak tree stands tall, its branches sweeping low over the path, offering shade even at night. You feel your steps slowing down as you walk along this peaceful route. The world around you seems to be holding its breath, waiting until morning breaks the silence once more. The path you walk along leads gently towards the river that flows through the village. The water is calm and still, reflecting the stars above like a mirror. You can hear nothing but the soft sound of the current, carrying with it tiny bubbles to the surface. A few boats are moored by the banks, their lights twinkling in the gentle darkness. Each light dances softly, as if they were fairy tale lanterns guiding you through the night. The riverbank is lined with willow trees that sway gently in the cool evening breeze. Their leaves rustle quietly, a soft whisper of sleep. You feel the cool grass under your feet, soft and comforting, a perfect path for late-night walks. As you walk, the air gets cooler, bringing with it a heady scent of lavender from nearby gardens. The fragrance is soothing, like breathing in a peaceful dream. You continue your slow walk along the riverbank. The gentle sound of water lapping at the shore keeps a soothing rhythm. As you near the end of the path, you see an old stone bridge looming ahead. Its arches stretch up high, and its surface is covered in moss, giving it a soft green sheen. You step onto the bridge, feeling the creaks beneath your feet as if they are singing a quiet lullaby. The light from the setting sun casts long shadows across the stones. You can smell the sweet scent of lavender wafting from the fields beyond. The distant hum of crickets adds to the peaceful atmosphere. On the other side, the fields stretch out into the distance. You can see rows of purple lavender swaying gently in the breeze. It's as if you are walking through a dream, surrounded by tranquility and peace. As you cross over, you feel a sense of calm wash over you, like the gentle touch of a cool hand. As the last light of the setting sun fades from the sky, the village around you slowly drifts into a deep and quiet sleep. The houses that once bustled with activity now stand silent, their windows dark and empty. You can hear only the soft rustling of leaves in the gentle breeze. You walk along the narrow, winding path, taking your time to look at each house. Each building has its own unique shape and size, but all are still for the night. The moon hangs high, casting a silvery glow that makes everything appear softer, more peaceful. You notice the shadows of the trees dancing with the wind, their branches swaying gently. It's as if even nature is resting now. A soft, gentle hush surrounds you, wrapping you in its quiet embrace. As you near the edge of the village, you see a small clearing where a few wildflowers still bloom under the moonlight. The flowers are lavender, and they give off a gentle, soothing scent that calms your mind even further. You feel drawn to this spot, like it's calling out to you. You sit down on the soft grass, feeling the coolness of the earth beneath you. The world is quiet now, no more bustling sounds or busy lives. Just the steady pulse of night and the whispering wind. The stars twinkle above, like tiny lights in a vast, dark sky. The moon seems to watch over this peaceful place, casting its gentle light on everything it touches. In this moment, you feel completely safe and at peace. You close your eyes for just a few more moments, letting the quiet around you wash away any remaining worries or thoughts. It's time to find your own spot to rest in the sleepy village of Lavender Dreams. The path through the lavender fields seems to stretch for miles under the gentle moonlight. Each step is soft, almost silent, as though the ground is hugging your feet. The quiet hum of the night fills your ears, lulling crickets chirping softly and the distant whisper of wind stirring the leaves. As you walk, a sense of peace washes over you. You feel safe in this lavender village, so peaceful at rest. You make your way towards an old tree standing alone in the middle of a small clearing. Its trunk is rough and full of age, but its branches are soft and inviting, swaying gently with the breeze. You find a quiet corner under the thick canopy of leaves. The ground beneath you is soft and cool, like stepping onto a comfortable bed. You sit down carefully, feeling the soft earth against your legs. The tree's branches drape above you, forming a cozy shelter from the night sky. In this small, peaceful spot, you feel at home among the lavender fields. The air is sweet with the scent of the flowers, and it seems to calm your very soul. You breathe deeply, letting out a sigh that feels so good after all your walking. The world around you quiets even more as you settle into the quiet, inviting corner. The moon shines down upon you, casting a soft glow over everything. This moment is perfect, just you and the serene village. As the evening turns into night, you find yourself in a small, sleepy village surrounded by the soft purple blossoms of lavender. The gentle hum of the breeze is like lullaby music, soothing your tired mind and body.
Close your eyes now.
Let out a slow breath, feeling all the tension melt away with each exhale. The cool air carries the sweet fragrance of the lavender flowers, making you feel calm and relaxed. Feel the softness under your feet, soft grass, or perhaps a comfortable blanket. The silence is comforting. It speaks to your soul, telling you it's time for rest. Gently close your eyes and let everything fade away, the sights, the sounds, even the thoughts. Just listen as the world around you quiets further. The stars are out now, twinkling like tiny jewels in a dark blue sky. The only sound is the soft rustle of leaves blowing gently in the breeze. You feel so safe here, surrounded by nature's quiet beauty. You feel very tired, but also at peace. As the night grows deeper and more still, you start to drift off into a restful sleep. Let your body relax fully, and let your mind take its sweet time waking up in the morning. Good night, my dear friend. Sleep well, and dream of lavender fields far away. Vocabulary: lavender, peaceful, exhale, rustle, stars, stillness.